In today's digital age, the Proverbs 31 woman exemplifies resilience and wisdom, harnessing social media as a potent tool for storytelling. She knows that her voice can inspire and uplift others, and she utilizes platforms to share impactful narratives from her life. By presenting her experiences, challenges, and triumphs, she connects with a diverse audience, fostering a sense of community and support. For women across America, Africa, and Latin America, the digital space becomes a canvas to portray their unique journeys, showcasing various skin tones and hairstyles, from long braids to natural curls. This representation matters, as it encourages others to celebrate their identities while pursuing their dreams. The Proverbs 31 woman embodies faithfulness and purpose, using her wisdom to navigate the complexities of modern life. She understands the value of sharing insights on wealth, health, and personal growth, ultimately guiding others toward achieving their goals. Through her stories, she cultivates a legacy of empowerment, demonstrating that every woman's narrative is valuable and worthy of being told. In this way, she stands out, not just as an individual, but as part of a collective movement towards strength and excellence.